Hi, Dr. Thayer here. I'm with Ashley. Ashley found us on YouTube. She found us a while ago on YouTube, and she ended up going, I'm not going to go to that guy. Any chiropractor is the same. So she tried to find somebody local, right?
Yes.
So why drive to go see him because he's too far away? So she went, did work out, went a couple times, and so she goes, screw it, I'm coming here. So that's pretty much what's going on. She had pain in her neck since 2010. Just woke up with pain one day, lots and lots of pain all over the time. So she finally broke down to finally do something about it and to go see a chiropractor. Wakes up a lot at night, doesn't sleep very well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So she has a lot of symptoms going on. Like I said, the interesting thing is that she tried a local chiropractor first because she didn't want to come this far, but she ended up coming this far. So I can't wait to get started with her and show her why she's here.
I'm excited.
Good, me too. Good. So tell us why you're here.
So I have neck pain and lower back pain, and
Since 2010?
Yes. And
there was nothing you did. There's no trauma.
No. I don't believe so.
Gotcha.
Nothing
around that year that happened.
No,
Yes.
no, yeah. And I wake up constantly throughout the night, even just to crack my neck myself.
Which you're not supposed to do. People are self-adjusting.
Yes.
How often do you crack your neck?
A lot.
A lot, and you do it in the middle of the night too.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Like I wake up with my neck just aching, and I feel like I can't sleep unless I.
Yeah. And you've been going. You had no treatment for this for years. You just recently tried a chiropractor.
Yes.
Yeah. So she's been suffering for quite a while, guys.
Mm-hmm.
And so headaches. You get headaches too.
Yes, I always have constant aching right here,
Mm-hmm.
and then it just turns into headaches. Sometimes even migraines, really bad. To where I think a few years ago I had to call out of work for a few days because it was just I couldn't.
Gotcha. And then so numbness and tingling where?
In my arms.
Your arms?
Hands,
Yeah. And for how long has that been going on?
Probably for 2 years.
2 years. So again, these are all symptoms of imbalance in the body, guys. She realizes that from watching my videos, but she's going to actually feel it. Anything else? We have low back pain for quite a while too. We have knees ache a little bit.
My hips.
The hips ache, right?
Yeah.
And she has some clicking in her shoulders too. That's about it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the one big glaring thing is she rolled a quad years ago. She does a lot of.
It wasn't even bad.
It wasn't even bad. She does. I said some of the worst injuries are horseback injuries, horseback riding. She didn't fall off the horse, but she does that. Lots of cheerleading, lots of stuff that she could have gotten injured with. Maybe she doesn't realize it, but she's put herself through a lot of stuff, and she wants to get fixed now. Ready to go?
Yes.
Good. Stand right here, please. Okay, knees straight, bend over, touch toes best you can. Okay, any pain in your back there?
No.
You said no. So going back like this. How about that?
Yes.
And where? How on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh,
Low
4
back?
or 5 on my
4.
lower back, yeah.
4 or 5, gotcha. Look down the floor. That at all?
No.
Okay, look at the ceiling. That at all? You
Yeah,
said
yeah.
4 or 5.
4 or 5,
4 or
yeah.
5, gotcha. Let's get you adjusted. Over here, please. On your back, face up. Okay, fingers in your belly like this. Okay. So, most important thing, Ashley, is just to relax as best you can, okay? X-rays, guys. X-rays, imbalance. You can see the laterality in her spine. She's way off balance. Reverse curve, all basic stuff, all straightforward. Check those out. I'll show those to you next time, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a little different than you thought it would be?
Mm-hmm.
Just like the other chiropractor?
Mm-mm. Like I actually feel it, like.
Doing something?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, one more side, okay?
Oh.
Good.
Mm.
What does that feel like?
Warm and fuzzy.
Warm and fuzzy? Okay. So in a second, you're going to get up. When we get you up, most important thing is no twisting or turning.
Mm-hmm.
The more you twist and turn, the more I'm going to undo my work, okay? So you just look straight ahead, keep your arms to your side.
That even feels different when you're holding right
Isn't that
there.
crazy, right?
Yeah.
It feels less tense,
Yeah.
more relaxed.
It's not as achy.
What was it before you think on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, probably like a 6 when you're holding right
And now
there.
what it is now?
Now it's not even like a 2.
A 2, yep. And so that will translate to your whole body. And so when you walk up and down the hall, that recalibrates your spine, spreads that through your entire body, everything will change.
I even feel dizzy a little bit.
Feel dizzy?
Mm.
Okay, just like in my videos, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, sit up, please. Put your legs over the side, just sit on the table. How lightheaded are you? A lot or a little bit?
Not too bad.
Not too bad now?
No.
Gotcha. So when you walk, like I said, walk up and down the hall, arms down, look straight ahead, maybe a couple deep breaths. We'll see how you do when you're done.
I'm really surprised right now.
Why are you
Like, I
surprised?
almost cried.
Why?
Because I can already feel the difference.
Really?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, I'm. We haven't even got started yet.
I know. But it's just, like, I don't realize how much of a difference I would feel so fast.
Yeah. Well, you watch my videos for a reason. You can see all the people's emotion on there and
Yeah.
how the truth comes out. And this is really nice of you to let us do this video. And it, how the truth comes out. You can't hide it.
Yeah. No, I want to get better, so why lie?
I agree. So like I said, what you're doing right now is helping somebody else out there. Thank you guys. Thank you. Let's see how you feel. Go ahead and work this.
I call him Peg Leg Harry. He'd be like walking on Peg Leg. And then the real one is
Can you stop her hair back to the front door, please? One more time. A little lightheaded still?
Yeah, I'll look
Yeah.
my feet.
Deep breath.
Can you text her?
That's so crazy.
What's so crazy? Why don't you tell us the camera what's
It's
so
just,
crazy?
I feel relief. Not so much. Like, I felt like I was just squashed.
No matter what you did before, you couldn't get rid of that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Stretching. Do you exercise all the
I
time?
exercise. I go to the gym all the time. I'm prepping for a show, so
So you exercise how many days a week?
I was 6 days a week.
6 days a week. And so, do you have a trainer at all there?
No.
Somebody helps you train?
Yeah, I have my cousin.
Your cousin? But do you have somebody helping you, kind of like guiding you a little bit? And I'm sure you're doing things to try to make your back feel better.
Yeah,
and,
I always make it like, okay, I want to tighten my back so I can fix my posture.
And where did you learn about that?
Doctor visit like I did the home.
Trainers and people at the gym, right?
Yeah.
How much has that helped you? Has it?
Still hurts.
And you're in shape.
Yeah.
And you work out all the time, right? You recently lost a lot of weight too.
I'm pretty.
That hasn't helped you.
Mm-mm.
Went to the other chiropractor. That didn't help you. How much difference do you feel now?
It feels like my head
Right.
is lifted off of my shoulders. It's so weird to me right now.
Good. Okay, stand right there, please. Okay, let's see how you're doing. I don't touch those best you can.
No pain.
Okay, go back.
I said, oh wow.
Oh yeah,
I
you can see the camera needs to hear it though, but oh wow, I feel good.
Yeah.
And that's, was it 4 and 10 before?
Yeah. Now I know I feel.
Look at, she's hanging out there.
Oh,
Feel
feel
better?
good, yeah.
Good. Look down the floor, please. With that.
I feel like I'm closer.
Yeah, can you see me?
I didn't realize how bad it was.
You don't, actually.
Just deal with it.
You do. You just deal with it. It's so awesome that you, I mean, at your age, come here this now instead of waiting another 10 years or 15 years. This is going to change the course of your life. You're going to be a better mom, better athlete, better person for having less pain, don't you think?
Yeah. And my grandma can't tell me I'm worse than her anymore.
Shame on you, Grandma.
Right.
Anyways, thank you for doing the video.
Thank you.
Yeah, we got
Thank you.
We got more to do,
Yes.
but great first start. See you guys next time.